tuingie nyuma sote. Yeah. Wengine nyuma tafadhali. Wale wengine nyuma tafadhali. Nataka tu party leader na Senator Ledama ndio watakuja hapa mbele. Wengine nyuma. Asante. Aya, Senator Ledama, take it away. ODM. Tunasema tuko tayari. ODM. ODM. Karibu Senator.
Songa hivi kidogo. Songeni hivi kidogo. Basi ebo tafadhali ya masimu yenu tuzime kidogo. Sasa unajua kilicho na mwanzo lazima kiwe na mwisho, si ndio? Na tumefurahia baba kuwa hapa. Sawa? Hebu acha kwanza niseme ODM alafu mseme tuko tayari, nione venye mko tayari. ODM. Tuko tayari. ODM. Tuko tayari. Basi wacha tuseme kwa press conference kidogo. Alafu ndio tuweze kusema kwa heri. Ama namna gani? Let me just start, baba. We're here today to consult with our party leader, His Excellency Raila Odinga, and the citizens who are standing here are from 3 counties. The Maasais from Nakuru County, Maasais from Narok County, Maasais from Kajiado County, and we also had a few who were coming from Baringo County. And cognizant of the reality of things on the ground, we're here today to consult with Mzee, and we have agreed that the best way is to move forward and unite the country. And we have given Baba our blessings so that he can be able to proceed and do what he knows is the right thing. Sisi kama wafuasi wa Raila Odinga tunasimama kidete ili tuweze kumsaidia. And I just want to show you with a show of hands. Kama nyinyi wote mmekubaliana, baba endelee atuongoze. Baba endelee ama asiendelee? Baba afanye kazi na serikali ama asifanye? Haya basi, baba, it's your time to speak to us. Asante.
So, I have already addressed the press earlier on today in Kisii, but this was now my second last port of call. As you remember, I have been to different parts of the country. I was in Nyanza, I was in Western, I was in the coast. Yesterday I was in Northeastern, and today I'm here in the Rift Valley, and I'm going now to Nairobi. It's going to be my last port of call. I came to talk to my people here from the Ma community. And as the Senate has already told you, they've come from different counties, including Nairobi County. And they have given me their views. They've talked very candidly and very frankly about issues that are affecting them as a people. To know this area here is victims of climate change. And climate change has brought a lot of challenges to the communities living here. See, there's a threat to the Mau forest, which is the water towers around this region. The people are pastoralists, they're rare animals. And in the times when we have got drought, they lose their livestock. And when there is floods, again, they have a lot of challenges. Their homes are washed away and so on. That brings a lot of destruction. So we want to find a way in which we can deal with this effect of climate change so that there can be adequate compensation to help these people deal with the kind of challenges they face. Then, of course, this issue of healthcare, which is also a major challenge here. And we want to see that this thing called SHA actually works for the benefit of the people of Kenya. The issues with regard to education, issues with regard to the healthcare, generally, infrastructure. They're saying that very few roads here are tarmacs. Most roads here are basically earth roads, and during the rainy seasons become completely inaccessible. Some parts of this vast region. So we say that these issues can be addressed, need to be addressed. The other one is devolution. It's also under challenge here. As you know, not sufficient resources are coming. The MCAs are also saying that money to the county assembly is being reduced, that they're going to be victims of this. Some of these issues can be addressed, need to be addressed. And we say that these are some of the issues that we want to form the basis of our engagement with this regime. And the issue of security is also a serious challenge. You've seen sometimes people are being attacked in their homes. You've seen sometimes people even demonstrating because of this issue of insecurity in the area. So they want that also to be addressed. And then the disputes, border disputes. Today I was in Kisii, and the people of Kisii appealed to me to talk to the government about the clashes in Transmara there over the issues of livestock. I actually told the government to move in with speed to ensure that they bring harmony and understanding among the communities in that area. So some of these are challenges. But then finally, I mean, I've asked these people what they think, and they've said that they've given me the go-ahead to move and find a way in which we can unite the country. So they've given me their blessing. Amesema, Baba, endelea siendelee? Endelee. Endelea siendelee? Endelee. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.
Anda nyoa kidogo tukute. Nabe.